Some places feel like they've been waiting for you, not just for a visit, but for something more, for you to stop, to see, to really feel. Comshingaun Lough was that place, and this was that morning. The climb started in darkness, not the kind you see with your eyes, but the kind that surrounds you inside when you're unsure why you're even out here. Tired legs, cold breath, no sound but your own footsteps, no sunrise yet, just a quiet promise somewhere behind the clouds. But something inside keeps going, because maybe, just maybe, there's a reason. And then you arrive, not at the top of the world, but close enough to feel the weight of it all lifted. The lake appears first, still, hidden in the bowl of the mountain like a held breath. Everything stops. There's no rush here, no expectation, just wind, water, stone, and the slow pull of light from behind the ridges. You watch it unfold, second by second, as if the earth is waking up around you, as if the mountain has chosen to show itself just for you. And it changes you, because in that stillness, you hear something louder than noise, the sound of yourself coming back into focus, the doubts, the distractions, the noise of the world down there. It doesn't follow you up here. You breathe deeper, you think slower, you feel something ancient, something alive. And then the sun breaks over the ridge. Not all at once. It arrives like memory. Soft, familiar, and overwhelming. The lake catches it. The cliffs turn gold. The shadows pull back like a curtain. This is the moment you came for. Not a view, a transformation. You stand still. You don't film. You don't talk. You just exist. And it's enough. This is why I go. Why I wake when others sleep. Why I hike when the sky is still dark. Because sometimes, the mountain doesn't give you a view. It gives you yourself. And in those rare moments, you remember, we were meant to witness this, to be small, to be silent, to be moved, not by screens or stories, but by earth itself. I don't climb for glory. I don't carry this gear for praise. I do it for mornings like this, for that first golden shimmer across a frozen ridge, for the way the mist holds the mountain like it remembers every soul that ever stood here. I do it for the peace that only lives above the clouds. Because up here, nothing pretends. The mountain doesn't care who you are, but it might still let you feel something you've forgotten. It might let you become weightless. This is Comshingaun Lough, and this is above the clouds.